It's getting lower, so maybe.
Yep.
Hey!
Nice one.
They're watching low. It's fucking close.
Yeah.
Right now he's doing a triangle.
Yeah, no, that's to make it fall in a certain spot.
Yep. There goes the triangle lever.
And then he cuts it.
And you're gonna come in from the other side.
Watch this ball, kid. It's gonna fall on you.
Grandpa's on the recording. It's gonna stand straight up and fall.
Yeah, I've seen
Oh,
those
this
videos.
is mystery.
I've seen those videos. I've seen the one where the guy was cutting it. It is like tilting this way, but then it tilts really fast.
Land straight.
And then
Replant it,
like,
so.
ooh, no plant.
Oh, see how it's starting to pick up land? So Dad's waiting right now. Are you gonna be the one then? You think so?
No,
No.
no. I already told you what I'm gonna do when I go. One time Dad said I'm gonna do.
Now Dad's kind of pushing it.
Hey, it replanted itself!
It replanted itself.
Woo! New plant, guys.
It'll come down to about right here.
What do you say? You have to switch?
The tree gets thicker down.
Wait, you gonna be cutting all the way down?
Dustin!